Well, hello. Really, you gotta forgive me if the audio is terrible. In all honesty, I've been doing this with COVID for I don't know how many weeks now, and I've been trying to project my voice, and this is the best I can do. I'm doing this only because one of you asked me to do a follow up on the chili peppers. Well, they never came up, and sometimes there was 100, if you remember. Sometimes that happens when I get them from eBay. It depends on where I get them from. And you take your chances. You know, there's still good seed on there. But when this happens, then I thought, what the heck? I don't have more chili seed. But what I'm going to do is plant jalapeno in here. Because, yes, we're going to try again. And it's not under the right light. So I'm going to have to be forced to put up a light and try to grow salad. But in the meantime, at least put the light up and get the peppers underneath a light that does not have bloom in it. I really don't think that they like it, and I think it's part of the problem. So we're just going to go ahead and plant the jalapeno. And hopefully this time, we're going to have success. I watched a lot of people say they have a lot of problems, and it just has to do with the lights. Sometimes one grower said once he got all those thrips taken care of, and he got all of his moisture down and everything, well, a low moisture mite is called a spider mite, which is another nightmare to have. So you have to always make sure you have this balance. And when I turn, hang on, let me show you how to do this, in case you don't know. Here you go. I'm just going to sprinkle them in like I normally do. And cover them up. Now I will come back and do this a couple of times. The reason why I do it like this is because I always end up with a fungus issue. And if I just keep coming by, and if I see a little seed poking up, I stick it back down in the soil. And this is what I do until they germinate. So it's not overly wet, but at the same time, this time we're going to give them a little bit of help. And it's easy to take on and off. It's just saran wrap. So we're going to give them just a little bit of a greenhouse effect here, but not too terribly much. And I'm kind of worried about this actually because of the light. I don't want to end up cooking them. And the heater's up there too. So I'll be checking on this. When it comes to checking on them, oh my goodness, when I did the last video, wasn't feeling good. Turned off all the fans. 4 hours later, I was about to fall asleep and went, I better go look at that. Good thing I did. Because when I went in there, it felt like a sauna in there. But my house was 60 degrees. The air was thick and hard to breathe. So I turned all the fans back on. And as I stood there, I could feel the air clear and I could breathe more clearly. So you really need to get inside your grow rooms. And if it feels good to you, it'll feel better to your plants. We'll check this out. It probably won't be ready for my update for my whole garden this month. But we will look at it. Everything else seems to be doing well. I keep doing this with my onions, so we'll see how it works out. But I really appreciate you putting up with that last video. Sorry about that. I have problems with my audio anyway. I'm working on that. But it was everything I could do to get these out. And I really appreciate you guys helping me out here and putting up with it. But I'm hoping that a lot of you really will start to garden and do some of these things that you can in your house, because some of them are so possible with just a shop light, a fluorescent light. Peppers. It's all about peppers. Well, it is today anyway. You guys have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. And I will be speaking to you soon. I will talk to you later. Bye. Oh, wow. That pink light is casting from the other side of my house. I am so sorry. But, yeah, that's not magic. No, that's just the pink light casting from the other grow room. I'll talk to you later. Bye.